Okay, and here's the set it back up. Short video. Slide the block over. Slide the block over. Sorry, it's tough doing this with one hand and running the camera and blah, blah, blah. Okay, that's all 6 of them. They're all facing the same direction. Now, push that in from the side. Push that in. Closed pen just creates a little bit of tension. Lock that down for good measure. And then just push up on these to make sure they're all up against the stop. And that stop is looking right down here because that back piece is clamped to the baseboard. Okay, now we're ready to start gluing these in. Do 5 across the top, 5 across the bottom. My method for putting them in the bottom, I use these bent nose tweezers. I'm using Tight Bond Premium Wood Glue 2. Works great. C'est la vie. Thanks for watching.